Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create high-impact content with AI in just minutes, whether it's blogs, social posts, or video scripts like this one. Imagine this: instead of spending hours brainstorming, writing, and editing, you type a few prompts, and boom, AI generates polished, ready-to-use content that grabs attention and saves you time. Here's how you can do it. 1. Start with a clear goal. Decide if you're creating for SEO, social media, or video. 2. Use AI tools to generate ideas, outlines, and drafts instantly. 3. Polish with your unique voice. AI gives you a strong base, but adding your personal touch makes it stand out. 4. Repurpose easily. Turn one blog into multiple tweets, reels, and LinkedIn posts. And that's it. With AI, you don't just save time, you create smarter, faster, and with more impact. So, start experimenting today and watch your content game level up. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered tips, and let me know in the comments what type of content you'd like to create with AI.